In this video, we are going to see how to fix League of Legends unable to connect to the server. Please check your network connection error. First step, open Riot Client, click Profile Icon, click Settings. This page will appear. Click League of Legends, scroll down, click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Then move on with next step. Click Settings, click Network and Internet Settings, click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset and click Reset now. Once the reset complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings, scroll down. Search for League of Legends and your client. It should be both enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled in private and public means you can enable it. If the application is not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Go to browse, go to C drive, Riot Games, League of Legends. You get the League of Legends. If you going the Riot Client folder, you get the Riot Client application. Click add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Next step, right click the League of Legends application. Click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Once complete after, move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having enough memory space means sometimes the error will occur. So keep the memory space at least 10 to 20 GB. The last and final step, search for command prompt, click run as administrator and type the following text. ipconfig space /DNS, click enter. Next command ipconfig space /release and the next command ipconfig space /renew. Next command netsh winsock reset and the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Exit it. Once completing all the steps, restart the device. Thank you.